Good morning, second graders. Happy Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. Today we are going to practice using the adding up method again and then solve some addition and subtraction problems at the end. If this goes into a second video like it did yesterday, make sure you click on the second link to get the second half of the work to check your work on it. All right, so I want you to grab your math book, page 247 and 248. Once you have that out, if you need to, hit pause until you get it. Once you have it out, we're going to go ahead and solve the first problem. Number one, we're going to do two together, and then I'll have you pause to try it, and then press play to check your answer. Ready? Last week, Justin had 27 comic books. Erica read some comic books too. In all, they read 86 comic books. How many comic books did Erica read? Well, first question, how many total comics books did they read? They read 86. So put 86 at the top of your math mountain. We know Justin read 27, but we don't know how many Erica read. So I'm going to put my unknown box down at the bottom. Okay, we're going to use the adding up method to do 27 plus what equals 86. So on the side, oops, I have this wrong here. We're going to write 27 and we're going to add up until we get to 86. We're going to stop at the 10 though. Stop at the 10, so 30, and then count by tens and then skip back to ones again. Ready? 27, 28, 29. Oh, I don't know if this will work as well as I thought. Okay, hold on. I'm going to go back and I'm going to use my tool again like I did yesterday. Ready? 27, 28, 29, 30. Stop. Count by tens till we get to 80. 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Switch back to ones to 86, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. Count them up. Start with the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So 27 plus 59 equals 86. So then I'm going to put my answer over here. 59. What's my label? Let's read the question again. How many comic books did Erica read? 59 comic books. Okay, go ahead and hit pause if you need to. Otherwise, I'm going to delete this and we'll move on to the next one. In art class, the second grade boys and girls drew 73 pictures. The girls drew 38 of the pictures. How many pictures did the boys draw? Well, we know how many total pictures did they draw? 73. Good job. That goes at the top. How many pictures did the girls draw? 38. Nice work. But now our unknown is we want to know how many pictures did the boys draw then? Okay. So I put my 38 to the side. 38 plus what equals 73? Here we go. Going up till we get to 73. 38, 39, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. Let's check it. 38, 39, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. Now let's add them up. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So the boys read 35. So that's my unknown. 38 plus 35 equals the total number of comic books they read. So over here, I'm going to put 35, or pictures they drew. Pictures. Okay, hit pause if you need to. Otherwise, I'm going to keep going here. All right, number 3 says there are 82 birds in the zoo. The zoo gets some more birds. Now they have 100 birds. How many birds does the zoo get? I want you to go ahead and hit pause right now and try this one on your own. Hit play when you are done. All right, good job. Let's go ahead and check our work. We know that there are 82 birds in the zoo. The zoo gets some more. Now they have a total of 100. So my 100's at the top. They started with 82 birds And we don't know how many they got. That's what we have to solve for. So we're going to start at 82. So I put 82 over here and count till we get to 100. Ready? 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 100. Let's check. 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 100. Now I can count my 10 sticks and ones to find my unknown number partner. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So they got 18 more birds. That's my missing addend. Put it in my unknown, and then I'm going to write it with my label. 18 birds, B-I-R-D-S. If you need to pause, hit pause. Otherwise, we're going to move on to the next equation. All right, Mrs. Clark has 94 pens. She gives some pens to her friends. Now she has 75 pens. How many pens does Mrs. Clark give away? All right, go ahead and hit pause so you can solve this one on your own, and then hit play when you're ready. All right, I'm going to read it again here. Mrs. Clark has 94 pens. She gives some pens to her friends. Now she has 75 pens. How many pens does Mrs. Clark give away? So we know she started with 74. She gave some of those pens away to her friends. And now, I'm going to grab this number here. Now she has, not 94, sorry here, 75 pens left. We need to use our adding up method to figure out how many she gave away to her friends. So I took my add in here and I put it over here. So 75 plus what equals 94? Ready? 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Let's count it up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. She gave away 19 pens to her friends. All right, make sure you are pausing after I read the story problem so you can solve it on your own first, practice it on your own, and then hit play to check to make sure you solved it correctly. All right, let's move on to number 5. It says Ike has 54 crayons. His sister gives him some more crayons. Now he has 82 crayons. How many crayons does his sister give him? Well, we know he ends with 82 crayons. He started with 54 crayons, but his sister gave him more, and he ended with 82. So go ahead and hit pause and solve this on your own. All right, nice job practicing that on your own. Let's go ahead and check our work here. Let's see. We need 54 plus what equals 82? We're going to use the adding up method. So I have my 54 over here. Add up until I get to 82. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So his sister gives him 28 more crayons. I'll put my answer with my label, 28 crayons. Nice job with that problem. If you need to, hit pause. Otherwise, we're going to move on here. One more, all total, or adding up. 1. Ready? In May's room, there are 39 books on a red shelf. There are some more books on a green shelf. There are 78 books on the 2 shelves. How many books are on the green shelf? Well, we know there's a total of 78 books altogether on the 2 shelves. 39 of them are on the red shelf, and we don't know how many are on the green shelf. So I want you to use your adding up method. 39 plus what equals 78? Go ahead and hit pause to solve on your own. All right. Good job practicing on your own. We're going to go ahead and use the all adding up method. So I started with 39 over here. I need to get to 78. 39, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, oops, sorry, I did it wrong here. Eek. All right, 39, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Now let's count it up. Let's make sure, since Mrs. Mettert made a mistake earlier, her little daughter walked downstairs and threw me off. Ready? 39, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. So now let's add our ones and our tens. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So 39 plus 39 equals 78. So she has an even number of books on the green and the red bookshelf. All right, pause if you need to. Otherwise, we're going to keep moving on here. For this one, 7 through 14, I want you to solve. Remember, look at the top. The 7, 8, 9, 10 are all addition. 11, 12, 13, and 14 are all subtraction. So be careful with those. Hit pause. And then I want you to go ahead and hit play when you are finished. So hit pause right now. All right, nice job. Let's check it together. We're going to add 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. And I get 52. 7, 8, 9, 10. Carry my 1. Drop my 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 9 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Carry my 1. Drop my 5. 8, 9, 95. Now we're going to subtract. The number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top. I go next door, knock, knock, knock. No one's home. Go next door. This becomes 0. This becomes a 10. Cross that off. Make it a 9 to get some over. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. 0 minus 0 is 0. Number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top. I go next door, knock, knock, knock. Take 1 away, ungroup, comes an 8 and a 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. If I have 3, I cannot take away 7, so I have to go next door and knock, 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 and ungroup. So that becomes a 7, this becomes a 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 7 minus 7 is 0. If I have 4, I can't take away 9, so I have to go next door. My 5 becomes a 4. And I give that ungroup 10 over to my ones. 14 minus 9 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. If you made a mistake, go ahead and change it. Last one, check understanding. We're going to look at problem number 12. 92 minus 15. The total is 92, so I put it at the top of my Math Mountain. My add-in is 15, so I put it here, and I need to solve for my unknown using the adding up method that we've been practicing. So 15 plus what equals 92? So put 15 on the side. Ready? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92. Let's add it to find our unknown. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. So 92 minus 15 is 77. It should be the same answer you got for this one right here, number 12, because that's the one we just did. But instead of going, the number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top, so I go next door and knock, 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 and ungroup. That becomes an 8. This becomes a 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. So this is one way we can do it, or we can do it our adding up method. All right, that's it for math today. So if you finished it all, you may go ahead and put it in a folder so you can turn it to Mrs. Mettert when we go back to school, and you may move on to your next task in language arts or theme if you have it. Otherwise, get outside and have some fun today. See you tomorrow.